I dare someone please show me a four-leaf clover in real life?
I will do you one better. Let's go find day 458 of the four-leaf clover of the day. Come on. In case you're unfamiliar with this beautiful face, hi, I'm Bettina and I collect genuine four-leaf clovers every day, specifically and only Trifolium repens, the white clover mutation. No red fuzzies over here and definitely no wood sorrel. We started this journey April 5th, 2023 and still pushing strong. There's one. And there's two. And there's three. Not bad. This is for you. And there you have it. Day 458 of the four-leaf clover of the day.